Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm sharing the best tips and tricks to extend your smartwatch's battery life. If you've ever found your watch dying in the middle of the day, don't worry. These simple steps can make a big difference. First, adjust the brightness. Lower it to a comfortable level, or enable auto brightness to let your watch adapt to your surroundings. Bright screens are a major battery drainer, so this small change can go a long way. Next, consider turning off the always-on display. While it looks great, it's constantly using power. Instead, rely on wrist gestures to wake the screen when needed. Choose a simple watch face with fewer animations and avoid ones that constantly update, like live weather displays. It not only saves battery, but can also look cleaner and more professional. Now let's talk about features. Disable GPS, Wi-Fi, or heart rate monitoring when you're not actively using them. These are big power users, so turning them off when you don't need them, like during office hours, will preserve battery. Similarly, manage your notifications. Go into your watch settings and select only the most important apps for alerts. Constant buzzing from unnecessary notifications eats up power quickly. Another key tip is to update your software regularly. Manufacturers often release updates that improve battery optimization, so don't skip these updates. Finally, be mindful of your charging habits. Avoid letting the battery drop below 20% frequently or overcharging overnight. It can impact long-term battery health. Follow these tips to get the most out of your smartwatch battery. Show off your energy-efficient watch and style. Which of these tips helped you the most? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more smartwatch tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.